So for part 4 of our experiment, the last part is the rainbow cup. So with each of these, there's 45 milliliters of water in each of these. In cup 1, there's 15 grams of sugar. Cup 2, there's 30 grams of sugar. Cup 3, there's 45. In cup 4, there is 60 grams of sugar. So we're going to try and add these all together and see what happens. The cup 4 with the 60 grams of sugar is definitely very syrupy. Okay, so they stayed separated for the most part. It's kind of hard to see, but alright. Now this one has 30 grams of sugar. Definitely not nearly as syrupy, but definitely thicker than water. And the last one with 15 grams of sugar. This one's definitely close to just being water. So it's hard to tell, but you can. Light's not very good, but you can see that there is a difference in them. It's not nearly as defined as the last experiment. It more just goes from darker to lighter. I think they blend a little bit more than the other ones did. Because it is the same substance throughout. I think it's just different densities of it because of the amount of sugar in it. So, all right, now. What affects the density of each solution? Obviously, the concentration of sugar does. Again, I feel that's why it's not so clearly defined line, because it is the same substance throughout, but just different densities. Which I think, when I stir them up, it's all gonna become one mixture, and so I don't believe there's going to be any lines at all, any definition. Which it has. Now it's all just the same throughout with coloring in it. Alright, so that concludes the first experiment, the measurement and the metric system.